Alright, here we go. The sheet this thick. There, piece in there. It wasn't cut out of this one, but one just like it. So here's our, it's about 6 ounce leather, 2.5 wide. Let's get started.
Around the neighborhood sometimes I was walking and I stepped into Maggie's pub and I had a beer.
An innocent handicap medal Oscar winner. Perhaps because he's a well-known conservative Republican. And you are considered remain on the Democratic ticket next year. Just to be clear, you don't need anything.
Yeah.
36 hours.
There, just bevels the edge a little bit. There. Hold it. There. Alright. See. Just a little bit beveled. Alright, we'll stain up these edges. Okay, see how it's light there? Put some coconut butter on this side. Smooths it down. There you can see the difference. See, light, 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 dark. Okay, we'll do the whole thing. Hair takes a little while, but you want it done right. Keeper. Here, let's glue it. Sewing up the keeper here. Glue and thread, it's never going to come apart. Right, we're dyeing the edge. Oil-based dye. You want to have cardboard all around because if you get that on, you don't get it off. We're going to do the whole thing. Okay, we're going to put some acrylic finish on here. When I do black, I like to mix a little black in there. Okay. Okay, it's got the acrylic. It has the finish on there. I'm just going to polish it up a little bit before we cut in the holes. There, you can see that. Feels good. Here you can see the difference. Here, it's nice and smooth and shiny. Okay, this is the second coat. There, 2 coats of acrylic finish. Let it dry. Let's stitch that in there. Put it square to the world. There. We'll have to awl it through. Big awl. We'll awl it through before we stitch it. Then we'll do one on the other side of the keeper. Well, let's stitch it. Okay, all done. Just tying her off. Okay, this one has to be 36 from the end. So put that with 36. There, I'm going to punch 4 or 5 holes in there in case the person grows or shrinks. There you go. Okay, there's our belt all done. There you go. Let's put it away. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe. Hit the like button. Don't forget the notification bell. Okay, see you next time.